How to fix Bondee app not compatible. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can fix your Bondee app your device isn't compatible with this version issue. In order to fix it, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. If you're encountering your device isn't compatible with this version error while trying to install or use the Bondee app on your Android device, it typically means that your device specifications do not meet the app's requirement or that the app is not available for your device operating system version. Here are some steps you can take to address this issue. First thing is you can check your compatibility. So verify that your device meets the minimum system requirement for the Bondee app, including the requirement Android version, RAM and processor. You can usually find this requirement on your app's official listing on the Google Play Store. Apart from it, you can also update your Android device. So ensure that your Android operating system is up to date. Outdated version may not be compatible with the latest version. In order to update it, you'll need to go to your settings. After that, navigate to software, and here you can just go ahead and check local update and check whether you need to update your device or not. Apart from it, you can also clear your Google Play cache. So sometimes the issue can be related to your Google Play cache. So in order to clear the Google Play cache, you'll need to go to your settings application once again. After that, go to apps and notification, and here you'll need to search for Google Play Store. After that, you can just go ahead and click on storage and cache, click on clear cache as well as clear storage, and this might be able to solve your issue all at once. If none of these seems to be working, what else you can do is you can contact or get in help of an expert. So if none of the above steps work, considering reaching out to the Bondee's app developer, so they may be able to provide guidance or solutions specific to their app. Now apart from it, what else you can do is you can also use the alternative app. If the Bondee app remains incompatible with your device, you may need to explore alternative app with similar functionality that are compatible with your device. You can go to your Play Store and then look for similar apps. You'll be able to find multiple results. You can also check your device limitations. Some older or less powerful devices may not be able to run certain apps due to hardware limitations. In such cases, you'll have to upgrade to more compatible or capable device may be necessary. Now remember that not all apps are compatible with every iOS device, especially if the app has specific hardware system or software requirement. If you determine that your device truly isn't compatible with the Bondee app, you may need to consider alternative method or devices to achieve your intended task. Now these were steps on how you can fix your Bondee app not compatible issue. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.